This is question number 1. Choose sum from LeetCode. Given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Example. This is the input nums. If nums is the input, this is the array with its elements, and if the target is 9, the output should be 1, 0, and 1, which means that it should add 2 to 7, and this would result 9. And these other examples are the same thing. So my thought process to solve this question was I needed to select this element here, the first element of the array. Then I should be able to add to the second element of the array. If the result matched the target number, then I would return the indices of both elements. If the sum of those two elements is not equal to the target number, then I should add the first element to the third element, and then this would be the pattern. If this was the correct result, it should return those indices, and if not, it should now add the first element to the fourth element. And so this is it. And the way I implemented it was with a for loop. This for loop is this one here, and this way I'm able to select the first element. So as I needed to add with another element, I needed another another for statement to select this second element. So this is what I thought of, and the value here of this j is 1 plus I, because if this number here was 1 and I tried to do that, let me just submissions. This was the first answer I tried. Here this was I equals to 0 and j equals to 1, but this was the scenario that it failed because it added to himself. Here the I selected this 5 here on the index 1, and j the same element, so it summed to himself. So as it is not allowed, I needed to do this, to add the element with the next element. And then I use an if statement here to check if the sum between the elements is equal to the target, and if it is, I created here an array of integers with the name result, and I added both elements to the array and returned it as this this function here is to return an array of integers. This will be the result. And if this structure here did not find any correct answer, then it would return just null as a result. And this was my thought process.